The parrots. Parrots live in the forests of South America, where summer lasts all the year round, where leaves are always green. The parrots make their homes in the forest because there they can find shade in the heat of the day. Parrots eat fruit and nuts. They like wild cherries best of all. They like them because of the stones. The beak of the parrot is very sharp and it cracks these stones easily. Parrots like to bathe very much. They fly about till they find water. They dip into the water and splash it over their feathers. Then they sit in the sun till they are dry. In the middle of the day, the heat becomes very great. Then parrots fly in the deepest shade. They sit in the trees and sleep. But in the evening, when the sun is going down, they wake up. They eat fruit, go to the water and bathe again. Only after that they go to the rest for the night. People can tame parrots. The parrot is a very interesting pet because it can talk.